All right, today we're gonna bring a cordless rotary tool. Now this one is my primary that I use a lot when I'm actually 3D printing any kind of models, or if I want to get some down to the details and remove some of the actual extra excessive PLA. This is perfect. I actually use it for pretty much grinding out, smoothing out some of the edges, and making it look like it was actually resin printed sometimes. And of course, this is one of many tools that I use, but this is my go-to. It's a small little rotary system that you're able to just remove and replace the actual either to sandpaper or to the actual blades itself. Now I use this so much that I end up buying some stainless steel rotary rods tools just to remove some of the actual PLA that I have. And now it comes with its case, and it comes with a couple of accessories, but those were gone the first 2 weeks after getting them. I ended up buying extra accessories, but they were inexpensive, cheap to access, and easy to get. So if you guys are into 3D printing, this is a must tool, especially the way it is. It's small, reliable. If you into 3D printing and you're looking for a right tool to remove some extra excessive PLA, it's up to you, or ABS, whatever it is that you're printing as. Even not only that, resin too. It works great on resin too. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.